Hey, it's Crafty Kitty, and I just realized that I forgot to show you the items that I bought from Michaels in my last video. But I also told you there was a challenge that I wanted to also post, so just give me a second. I'm just going to get the bag, and I'll be right back. Again, I apologize for the light, but like I said, I don't usually do my videos during the day, so trying to get the lighting right is not as easy as I thought it would be. So before I tell you about my challenge, I'm going to show you some little bit of items that I got from Michaels that were on clearance. And going to be using these in some DIYs that I'm going to be doing. So I did find, these little white hearts. Now these usually were $1.99, and I showed you some pink ones and some blue ones from before, but I wanted some more white ones because I want to be able to change the color of them myself to what I need. So they were only 97 cents, which is pretty good. And then I think one of the best buys that I got was these stamps, and I love them. These ones are from Tim Holtz, and it has a stencil in the shape of a tag, so you can actually use the tag as a template as well to create your own tags. And I'm just going to take it out of its, like I said, it is Tim Holtz. Hopefully when I go to put it back in, it'll actually go back in too. So the reason I got this stamp set was because this set here was because it was on sale for $10 instead of $26.99, which was amazing. I have a piece of paper here. I don't know if this will help you see. Nope. Let's see. That's why. Nope. Figures. Whenever you want to show something, you can't find a dark piece of paper to save your life. So I don't know if this will work or not, but. And I just realized, oh, there we go. So this is the stencil. As you can see, it has like, there we go. So, and then it's in the shape of, actually you can see it better without the backing, I guess. But it has two different styles. It has like a broke pattern up here. Well, that was not good. It's a good thing. Give me 1 second. I am just going to pause you one moment. Okay, I really hope I put the camera back in correctly, which I don't think I did. So I'm probably upside down now. Maybe I should just start this over. I don't know. And I think I'm pretty much going to have to bleep something in here because it startled me, and I said, not a nice word. No, it wasn't that bad of a word, but still, it's not that great to be saying. So I'll just show you the butterfly stamps that came with it, and I really like this because it matches the die set that I had picked up recently on Facebook Marketplace, and you can see that haul video, and I'll link that down below as well. And then you can see everything that I got there. And of course, what did I tell you? Cannot get this back in here to save my life. So I'm gonna have to edit this video for sure because, like I said, definitely not for under 18. So hopefully this doesn't fall off again, because if it does, I'm just gonna have a hissy fit. This is the brand new thing that I just showed you in my collective haul that is supposed to be stuck to something, and it actually is stuck, but for some reason decided to fall. So, oh well. The other... I'm so happy I bought that. So I think I'll just do that for now because I cannot figure out why it keeps falling, but the show must go on. Sorry. It just cracks me up that that's doing that. But anyways, I'll show you the next one that I've gotten. Now it's propped up against here, and I swear if it falls down one more time, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But oh well. So one of the things I got also were these Jane Davenport acrylic stamps. They are just of faces like this, And yeah, so these are just faces. And the reason I got these was because I remember seeing a stamp from Graphic 45. It was the face of a woman, and then all around it was like gears, flowers, and whatever else. Well, I have gears stamps and I have flower stamps, so I can make my own steampunk looking face for a stamp. So I thought definitely gonna pick those up. And I mean, I think it wasn't I think $2.97, not $1.97. I think, is that what I said? The other stamps were $9.97 for the Tim Holtz stamps. Well, we'll just check the bill because it's right here. Yeah, $9.97 and $2.97. So pretty good. Good deal. The next things I bought were these art decorative. That's what it says, art decorative. I don't know why. Personally, I would just say, hey, I got some paint. So I bought these Martha Stewart Craft Home Decor Eggshell Finish Paint. And this is, I'm not sure if they can show the lead. Nope, it's on. I'll show you the color on top. Hopefully the camera picks it up. So this is the color. It's a blue. It's called Droplet. And it's a nice shade of blue. I really like it. And then I also got this one, which was called Ink, and it's a dark navy. I really want to use these for a project that is for the summer, like a base. I always love these colors for the summer. So, and this one is called Celadon, and it is like a turquoisey green rather than an actual true turquoise, but I think it would work really nice. It looks really pretty when you put all three color palettes together. So I really like that. Those were a little bit more expensive, but also you get a lot more. They were selling the little bottles that you could buy as well, but those were like $1.97, and you don't get that much in them. And these were only $3.97, so definitely the better buy. Can't wait to play with these. And again, like I said, I'm very sorry about dropping y'all. And that's my little Michael's haul. Now I will tell you about the challenge that I want to do, and maybe you can want to join me. It's not a challenge where you have to post at certain times, so it would be nice if you could post. I want to do a February Use Your Stash challenge. Now, you can post something every day if you want, but I was going to do it by weeks. So I would make a playlist just so that you could see everybody who did do something with the Use Your Stash challenge. Basically, I'll do a week, so it'll be like 1 week, the first week of February, second week of February, third week of February, and the fourth week of February. So pretty sure there's only 4 weeks, but hey, I haven't looked at the calendar. For all I know, there could be 5 weeks in that in there. But yeah, so I want to try and do a DIY or a craft project every day. I'm not saying I will be able to. It depends. When you might be in the mood to do something, you might not have time to do something, or you might. So, but I figure this is a good way to get rid of a lot of stuff that you have stashed, you've been putting off, debating whether you want to do anything. So if you want to join me, that'll be great. You can put your title as February Use Your Stash Challenge, and I will. If you put that in your title, I can find you and add you to the playlist. I'll also make it so that you can add yourself to the playlist if you would like. But please put in the title February. Oh, what am I saying? Well, just say February Challenge, Use Your Stash. That's it. That'll be the title. You don't have to say with Crafty Kitty or anything like that if you want. It's up to you. But please use those specific words so I can find you. Or somehow let me know, I guess, that you put a video up. Maybe you forgot to name it that. Just let me know, and I will still add you to the playlist. But if you can, February Challenge, Use Your Stash. So, and as many times as you'd like. It doesn't have to be every day. I highly doubt I will get every day as well. But, that's the challenge, right? To try and get rid of all the stuff in your stash as much as you can. I just recently watched from my other challenge, the Use Your Stash challenge that I did with C'est La Vie Dawn and Thelma Hall. One of the women who participated, the Paper Contessa, she made something called, and I hadn't heard this term before, Franken papers. And what it is you take a bunch of paper scraps, you put them all on a piece of cardstock, and you Mod Podge them, and then you make different things out of it. You can either, I guess, use shapes, make shapes using for your punches, or you can turn them into tags. I guess whatever you want to use them for. Background paper, I don't know, but I definitely want to try one of those. And I feel so sad that I threw away all the scraps that I had rather than save it. But you know, usually with my scraps, I punch them out as much as I can with different size punches and whatever else to keep, and then I use as when I'm making embellishments or something as backgrounds or little pieces to pop something up, and then whatever little bit is left over, I just toss it. Well, now she's showing me a way that I can use those bits, so I really will get to use up a lot of my stash, which will be awesome. So I hope you can join me for this challenge. Like I said, no, I will have the playlist up for the first week, so it'll be on the, try and upload your videos. I guess you can try to upload them every day if you want, but if you want to wait and upload your videos, say at the end of the week, it's up to you. You can upload 5, 6, 7 videos, whatever you want to upload to that particular week. You go right ahead. So thank you all for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you know when I upload new videos. And once again, sorry for dropping you on your head, and let's all get crafty. Bye-bye.